Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Adjusting the tension on your Singer sewing machine is one of the most crucial skills for achieving perfect stitches and preventing common sewing frustrations like skipped stitches, tangled thread, or puckered fabric. Without proper tension, your projects can look unprofessional and even compromise the durability of your seams. To begin, it's essential to understand what ideal tension looks like: a perfectly balanced stitch where the top and bobbin threads interlock evenly in the middle of the fabric layers, without either thread showing prominently on the opposite side. If your top thread is too loose, you'll typically see loops of the top thread on the bottom side of your fabric. Conversely, if your top thread is too tight, it will pull the bobbin thread up to the top surface, often causing the fabric to pucker, and the top thread might even break. Similarly, if your bobbin thread is too loose, you'll see loops of the bobbin thread on the top side of your fabric, and if it's too tight, it will pull the top thread down to the bottom, again potentially causing puckering. The primary tension adjustment you'll make on your Singer is for the upper thread, controlled by a numbered dial usually located on the front or side of your machine. This dial typically ranges from 0 to 9, with lower numbers indicating looser tension and higher numbers indicating tighter tension. A good starting point for most general sewing is often between 3 and 5. To adjust, turn the dial clockwise to increase the tension, making it tighter, or counterclockwise to decrease the tension, making it looser. Always make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps by one number at a time. After each adjustment, take a scrap piece of fabric that is identical to your project fabric and sew a short straight line, followed by a zigzag stitch. This allows you to visually inspect the stitch quality. Examine both the top and bottom of your sample. If the top thread is still looping on the bottom, loosen the top tension further. If the bobbin thread is showing on top and the fabric is puckering, tighten the top tension. Before making any tension adjustments, always ensure your machine is threaded correctly from the spool pin all the way through the needle, that the presser foot is down when sewing, and that your bobbin is inserted properly according to your Singer model's manual. Lint buildup in the tension discs can also cause issues, so a quick clean with a small brush can sometimes resolve minor tension problems without needing dial adjustments. Adjusting bobbin tension, while possible, is much less common and should generally be avoided unless you are certain the upper tension is perfectly balanced and the problem still persists. Bobbin tension is adjusted via a tiny screw on the bobbin case itself. If you absolutely must adjust it, use a small screwdriver and turn the screw in very small increments, a quarter turn at most, clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. It's highly recommended to mark the original position of the screw with a permanent marker before adjusting, so you can always return to the factory setting if needed. Remember, the goal is to achieve a balanced stitch where both threads pull equally. Other factors can also influence tension, such as the type of fabric. Thicker fabrics might require slightly more tension, thinner fabrics less, the type and weight of your thread, thicker threads might need more tension, and even the needle size. Always match your needle to your fabric and thread for optimal performance. Patience and practice are key to mastering tension adjustments on your Singer machine. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more sewing tips.